I've lost over 200 pounds. There's the proof right there. And here is everything that I'm going to eat today. I'm starting off today with some Magic Spoon cereal. This is a high protein, low carb, low sugar cereal. And I've got some errands to run for my job. So I'm just going to munch on this while I'm driving. And then I'm thinking about stopping for some Subway. To be determined, but stay tuned. I told y'all I was getting Subway. It is $1.55. I got the beast. I usually just get ham and turkey. I don't know why I did this. But I did have them put a little bit of the Parmesan vinaigrette on there, I think is what it was. And then I got me a little bit of a side of it. I usually don't put dressing on here, and that way my salad doesn't get soggy. But little ranch, dip, dip, dip. And this is usually what I do. That way I don't use a ton of dressing, and I can get dressing in every bite. And guess what? They didn't have any lids. They gave me saran wrap. They saran wrap this. So I'm going to have fun wrapping this back up because that saran wrap tore, obviously. That vinaigrette seems a little salty though. I don't know. I usually just use my own ranch, but I don't have any today. So this is what we're doing. Weird thing. Used to, when I would eat Subway when I was over 400 pounds, I had to get a foot long. Usually had to get chips, double meat on my sandwich. And sometimes that wouldn't even fill me up. And today when I was getting this, I looked at the foot long sandwiches and I couldn't believe how huge they were. It's so weird how your perspective shifts. I'm going to have a little snack here. This is just a Chobani Greek yogurt, vanilla. I got it from the gas station this morning. It says it's expired. Should I chance it? I don't know. We're going to. It's 4:26. I have an appointment this evening, so I'm not going to be able to eat until later. I just know I'm going to be hungry again. So this is what we're going to do to get some extra protein in. I'm going to do some vanilla raspberry keto granola on this. I get this from Thrive Market. It's one of my favorite keto or low sugar granolas. People don't realize, people just think granola is really good for you. Not saying it's not, but sometimes it can be really full of sugar. So I love a good keto granola, especially this one. So got that. My Magic Spoon cereal I had this morning. I also got that from Thrive Market. That would have been really good on this. I think I have some in the car. I should have done that too. All right, let's see if it says it's expired. That gas station's notorious. It tastes like Greek yogurt, and it wasn't moldy. Remember those moldy grapes I got last week? It's 6:53, and I got a Starbucks decaf espresso iced 10 pump sugar-free vanilla whipped cream on top. That'll make your eyes roll back in your head. For dinner, it is 7:52. We're not making a good choice, but this is what we got, okay? I got a little personal pan pizza from Pizza Hut. It was in the Target, guys. And then, fun fact, 150 calories a slice. I can make it work. And then we picked up some breadsticks, 150 calories a breadstick. I can make that work, okay? So let's taste the pizza. This one looks pretty good. That's good. Good. People pulling in beside me, they're like, why is this girl filming herself eating? It's for the talk, babe. Get with the times. Okay, I'm gonna do half a breadstick. And they had marinara. I really like the marinara at Pizza Hut. You hear that? Excuse me, ma'am. Delish. It's pretty late, so I probably won't have a snack later. And that's going to do it for the day.